Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop is not connecting to Wi-Fi network or it's just not connecting to the internet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward problem, guys, on how to resolve. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So typically, if Windows 11 is not connecting to Wi-Fi, that could be a result of a faulty update, driver-related issue, or a network setting error. So there could be a variety of different causes, but we're going to go over a couple solutions here today. So the first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset. Go ahead and open that up. Best result on this page, it should say that this will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select Reset Now. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. And then at this point, just save and close out of any open programs and applications, and then just manually go ahead and restart your device at this time. And then hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. If not, something else we can try is opening up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now you want to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration successfully flushed to DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Once again, exact case seen on my screen. Hit enter. Should come back this time. We have successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your device one more time. And then hopefully this pointer issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.